This is what a $1 million Class A looks like. One of the things that Lareka and I have been trying to do a lot here in the RV park is walk every day. Get our exercise in and basically get ready for this next loop, because there's a lot of amazing places and amazing hikes we're going to be going on. We're going to get our bikes out of storage here soon and just get ready to leave, because we leave here in a little over a week.
Yeah, and it's not just about getting exercise in to get ready for the next loop. It's also just about trying to live a healthier lifestyle. So we're not crazy workout fanatics. It's just about moving. And we've said that before. We've kind of gotten a little stagnant in our moving. So we wanted to make it an effort, especially after the new year, to just be moving most of the week. Yeah. It's great to take time off, but we need to be moving. So that's our little goal. And we're trying to make good on that.
Yep. And another nice thing about walking through the RV park is you get to see all the different RVs and license plates and where people are from, and sometimes that sparks a conversation. We've actually met quite a few people here in the RV park we've become friends with, and it's cool. It really is.
Yeah, you kind of built a little community in your RV park. Last year was our first year at this RV park, and we were here so quickly. It was like come home for the holidays, and then we got on the road really fast. We were on the road for 11 months last year. This year, being here for 5 months, we have really made some amazing friends that will be lifelong friends. I know.
Absolutely.
Because you can just tell the bond that we share. In a week, sadly, we will all be leaving and going to, some going back home, some venturing out, but we will remain friends. We'll see some next year, and we'll continue our friendship. And it's the best part of RVing. So when you get into a good RV park that you feel comfortable in and you're making friends, it's the best part. Hey guys, it is springtime, and along with spring comes spring cleaning. So even though we no longer are in a sticks and bricks, we do need to clean our rig and go through things. We are getting ready to leave in a few days to head out on our 2025 loop. And I've just been going through a bunch of clothes, just spring cleaning going on. And so today I was going to take you on a project that I have been putting off. I actually got all of the things I needed for it, and I just needed to set aside some time to go ahead and do it. So today is the day, and we are going to go and do that now. So come along. We are in a place I'm not usually in often when on camera, but we are in our bathroom, and I just spent a little over an hour scrubbing my shower today. I'm going to try a new thing, and I'm gonna let you guys know if it works. I am so sick of these shower doors. I hate the try. It's so hard to clean the water spots in between the glass, all that good stuff. I hate the little railing down below with the 3 slides. So much junk gets in there and the buildup, and it's just not practical. Ours at least have the little holes, but none of that stuff runs out. So I've been frustrated for a while. I hate wiping the glass down, all of it. There just doesn't seem to be a great answer. And I was here at our campground talking to a friend of mine, and she said, why don't you put up a shower curtain and then a liner so it just blocks the glass completely and all that when you guys take a shower. That way it'll look pretty in here, but you don't need to remove all of this. So Kevin and I have talked about removing the doors and all of that. He doesn't feel comfortable doing it right now. Maybe something we do down the road if this doesn't work, because it is super frustrating. But we're gonna give this a try. So again, I cleaned the whole shower. I tried to get in the tracks as good as I could and get that super clean. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to hang up shower curtain and a liner now. I bought a fabric shower curtain liner. I just That way I can wash it. I can't stand that plasticky smell when you buy a plastic shower curtain liner. And then we do green. There's our rug right here. Excuse the mess. I'm completely all over the place in the bathroom today. But we do green. We've got the green towels going on. So I found this green shower curtain on sale at Penny's, and I picked it up. And so today we're just going to try and see if I can get this up and going. I had one of those poles that you can extend to the length that you want. You can expand it or shorten it, and I had it in our sticks and bricks in our laundry room when I used to hang up clothes, and I ended up taking it to storage, and I'm so glad I did because I have that already. So I'm going to put that up, and we'll go from there. And there you have it. Of course, I will fix it. There's probably an easier way to do that backside than what I did, but I will keep you guys posted if this actually works because I'm so frustrated with the showers. I wish there was a different system. I feel like that's probably one of the number one complaints because they are so hard to clean and keep clean. So I will let you guys know. All right, if you've remodeled your shower or done something to help with the cleaning of it, the glass, the tracks, let us know. Leave us a comment. I'd love to know. I know that people have taken out the whole piece and then just put in the shower curtain and that, and it may come to that, but for now we're going to go ahead and try this and see where we go from here. So
it is a nice, beautiful Saturday afternoon, and we are out at Phoenix International Raceway in West Phoenix, going to an RV show. This is RV Supershow's Phoenix.
Never been to this show.
Nope.
So it's a little bit of a drive for us.
Yes. It was a little over an hour. The freeway was closed.
Yeah, so we had to take side streets. No biggie though.
Yeah. So we're going to check it out.
Let's see what it's all about.
Yeah. Walk around and see what's here. Check out some new RVs, and what we check out, we'll show you.
What did you say, Paradigm?
385 FL.
385 FL.
Front living.
Yeah, the front living. Kevin and I, when we were looking at RVs, it was between our rear kitchen and the front living. So I always like to look. This is like a ton of room. It's pretty. It's beautiful rig. I need to look at the bedroom because that looks pretty nice too.
Yeah. It doesn't have... This has the 3 couches. I like our desk.
I do love our desk, but like good sized kitchen. Is this? Okay, so a tiny bathroom.
The what?
Tiny bathroom, which I'm sure you could probably do a pantry if you wanted to. Oh, so this has got the big. I like this door because it slides. This has got the bathroom in the end. Use your washer dryer hookup or an extra closet. Not bad, only 1 sink. We do love our 2 sinks. We're spoiled that way. But it seems to have a lot of storage. Like you got all that, and it's nice. So wait, how big is this? 39, you said? 30?
38.
38. It's a nice rig. I like it.
Alright, so one thing that I'm realizing here about this RV show is there's several different dealerships, and every dealership has their little section. Every little section has a bunch of different models of RVs, which is kind of cool. It's not just one dealership and all of the same models aren't in one area. So you kind of walk around the whole place and you get a kind of good feel for it. So we're enjoying it so far. So this is what a $1 million Class A looks like. Everything is white marble. It's pretty fancy looking. Come on, we'll show you around. This is a Fleetwood American Eagle. MSRP is over $1 million.
Couple sinks.
Is it worth it? Let's look.
It's a really pretty shower. Nice big. The washer and dryer look nice. They're Samsungs. like they're all digital, which is nice. It looks like they're a little bigger too, tiny, so that's handy dandy. The closet goes back. It's not huge, but definitely doable. These must open.
2 sinks.
We love double sinks. Okay. Bedroom. Just feels really fancy in here. Everything's shiny. Oh, it's a charger right there on both sides. Kind of convenient. Although we have this, and I wish it was a little longer. So, nice. Okay. And then, we know we like the pantry like this. Fabulous. You get 2 of them. It's the self-closing drawers. This refrigerator is looking like it's probably, so right. It's high-tech. High-tech Frigidaire. Did you want the half bath? Here's storage. Nice roomy dinette. It's very roomy. But this is the dishwasher. Yep. Nice tubing. So nice dishwasher.
But no oven?
No, people don't really use their ovens, babe. It's a nice sink with a little basket here. This is what I wish our shower doors were. Got all the pop-up outlets like this. Nice.
Look at the rest of it like this.
Supershow price is $700.
Okay, what do you think? $1 million?
It's very shiny. It's pretty, but no way. No way.
Nope, not for $1 million. Even if I had $1 million.
This is it.
What'd you say?
I said, this is it.
It's the whole thing?
Yeah. I mean, but if you wanted to go small, it's actually not terrible. We are so big that this is so small.
But this is a weekender.
No, some people live in them because they want the simplicity of it.
13 feet.
So it's more about the being outside. But it's not terrible if you really wanted to be small.
Yeah.
But wowzer.
It's got 2 burner stove and a microwave. Storage.
Yeah. It's not for us. It's not for us. But I like looking.
Got done with the RV Supershow here at Phoenix International Raceway. What'd you think?
I thought it was a decent show. There was a lot here to see. They had all kinds of things for the kids and, bounce houses and face paintings and all kinds of little activities for them. They had a small little food court area that had bathrooms and it was air conditioned and with some choices. It's mostly like fair food, I would say.
Yeah.
I do think they have burgers and pizza, and I did see a sign for like turkey brisket and that kind of stuff. But I thought that they had a good variety. They had some new, some used. We enjoyed looking at the different models of different brands.
Yes.
I don't know. I thought it was pretty good. I mean, it was very far from where we came from.
Yeah.
So,
where this is a little over an hour from where we're staying out in Apache Junction, East Mesa. This is as far west Phoenix as you can get. It's technically Avondale, and it's at the south base of the mountain. It's the NASCAR racetrack, so it's out here in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, the facility is cool.
Yeah.
But it is far. The weather, you just don't know what you're going to get in Arizona in March. It's warm. We're warming up. This week it's going to be in the 80s, and then even I think 1 or 2 days is going to be in the 90s. So it's a little warm to be walking around looking in RVs.
Yeah, the truck says it's in the mid 90s right now. That could just be because the truck's baking out here in the sun.
It is. It's supposed to be 85 today, though.
Yeah.
Here in Goodyear, so Avondale, Goodyear. So yeah, it's definitely warm.
And when you're used to the 60-degree weather, and for the last couple weeks and the rain we had the last 2 weeks, this makes it feel a lot warmer.
Yeah, you're just out in direct sun.
Yes.
And you're going in and out of RVs, which are not super, there's no flow in there. So, but it wasn't terrible. Obviously, if you come in the morning, it's going to be much better because you don't have to deal with weather. I thought it was worth it, though. I mean, it was a good show.
Yeah, and I know we've said it before on different videos we've done as far as RV shows. There are RVs out there to fit everybody's price range. There are some for well under 100,000, all the way up to the one that we saw, $1 million RV.
Yeah, over $1 million.
Yes.
So there are, and there's so many different styles, and that's the thing. It's like you got to find the one that fits you and what you want to do in life and how you want to live and your budget. Like, what are you willing to spend on it? Is it just going to be something you sleep in and maybe cook outside, you know? Like, you don't care about having this whole space that you, like, live in. You don't want it to feel housey. You're more about living outdoors. It really just depends on how you want to live, what your budget is, and where you want to go from that. So, I love that part of it because you see so many people excited looking to find their rig that they want to go and have their adventure in. And I love that part.
Yeah, so there's RVs at shows for full-timers to weekend warriors to just maybe you're just having a small camper to take out to a NASCAR race a few times a year. You never know. It's whatever you guys want, and like Lareka said, every style, every budget.
So I think it was good. I'm glad we came.
All right, so do us a favor if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button down below there and ring that notification bell. New videos every Sunday. We are hitting the road in a little over a week.
Yeah.
We'll be back on the road for, pretty much the remainder of 2025.
Yeah, our 2025 loop. We're super excited. We are just getting things going to get ready to get back out there. So excited.
Yeah, so, leave us a comment. Let us know what you think of the RV show. Do you guys like going to RV shows? We actually do talk to a lot of people that said they don't really like going to them when they're not in the market for them. We enjoy it. We enjoy looking at all different RVs and different options. Obviously, we're not in the market for one by any stretch of the imagination, but you never know what's going to happen down the future. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.